it's Gamori, and today we're going to be making Annie's leggings from Splatoon. For Annie's leggings, we're going to be using New Look 0728. This is one of the display patterns that's on the wall at Joann's, and we're going to be making view A for the leggings. And for the material, I'm using this orange 4-way stretch performance fabric. Cut out the pattern pieces. Then we're going to take the front and backs of the leggings on each side and sew them together along the outer side seam. To make the design on the tights, I used the same technique that I used to make the design on the jacket. So I made a stamp using some craft foam and an old empty spool, combined some black paint with textile medium, and then stamped it on and filled in the remaining design with a paintbrush. Then we're going to seal the paint by very carefully ironing over it. I'm using a scrap piece of fabric to lay over the design so that I'm not ironing directly onto it and accidentally either attaching the paint to the iron or melting the synthetic material. Then we're going to fold the leg pieces in half and sew them together along the inner leg seam. Flip the leg right side out, and we're going to hem along the bottom edge. Putting right sides together, sew the leggings together along the crotch seam. Cut a piece of elastic the length you would like to go around the waist, and sew the two ends together to create a loop. Wrap the waist of the leggings around the elastic and sew it into place. And with that, Annie's leggings are done. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. It was my first time making leggings and my first time using this pattern. The only thing I would change if I was to make them again would be to go down a size or maybe even 2 on the legging pattern. These ended up being quite loose. But other than that, I'm pretty pleased with them. For more videos on how to make the rest of the costume, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.